Welcome to Fort Dobbs State Historic Site. My name's Andrew and I'm in charge of maintenance here at the site, which includes helping maintain our historically recreated buildings like the fort and our blacksmithing shed behind me here. Now, the roof shakes on the blacksmith shed are over a dozen years old and they're really beginning to show their age, which is letting gaps open and water leak in to the building, which has rotted several of the logs in the walls themselves. So over the last couple months, we've split out about 500 red oak shakes that we replace the shakes on this building with. We're going to take off the roof structure, we're going to replace some of those wall logs, rebuild the roof structure, and finally place those newly made red oak shakes onto the building. We're going to turn this into a little video series that you can follow along with. So sit back and we hope you enjoy the video. Folks living in the 18th century would have certainly been no strangers to maintenance themselves. Their structures are all made from natural materials, wood, stone, and clay. And these are materials that will, if not properly cared for, deteriorate very rapidly. And here you can see how that water has come through the roof, and on this top log and even the one underneath, it has really rotted and deteriorated this log. So as we take the roof structure off, we'll be able to replace these couple logs here that have rotted and make it a much sturdier building.